I'm going to show you how to archive or restore a team. You have to open the teams, and you have to click on teams located on the left side. When you will click, and then after you have to go to more options. Here, this button, left click on this button, and then click on manage teams. So you will find a view like this, that you have the team names here, then description and membership. You can see here the people and type of this team. So I'm going to first show you how to archive a team. You will click on the three dots located here in front of that team which you want to archive. I have selected this ESS test, and then I will go to click on archive team. It will ask me want to archive ESS test team. This will freeze all team activity, but you will still be able to add or remove members and update roles. Go to manage team to restore the team. Okay. Make the SharePoint site read only for team members. If I click, then the SharePoint site, the documents and the activities or forms which are shared, they will be available as a read only. But I will make it unchecked so that it will be available as a editable form. Now I will click on archive. So you can see the archive process has been done, and if you want to see your archive, you can see here active teams arrow. If I click here, it will close all the teams view. It is view only which is closed, and here is the archive. So I will click on this arrow to see my archive teams. Okay, now if you see here ESS test and Sultan, there are two teams which I have archived. This is the recent one which I have archived. Okay, so to do an archive, just click on three dots again and click on restore team. Okay, so it went to active teams. So you can see here 20 teams. Now I will restore the ESS test team also. So here you can see active 21 teams. So if I go here, and I can see here my again ESS test team, and the name is Sultan. Both teams you can see here. Okay, so this was the process how you can archive a team and then restore back that archive teams. Okay, this will hopefully this video will help you. If you like my video, click on subscription and bell button. Thanks. See you inshallah in the next training video for you.